Hello all, here's a demo video on setting up FlexiForm template using workflow in mSigner. Note, only admin users will have the privilege to set up workflow templates. Now let's see how this could be accomplished. Log into www.msigner.com using your admin username and password. On top right corner, your profile image will be present. On clicking the same, Settings menu will be displayed. Click Settings menu. You'll find Manage Workflow option. Now click on the same. Here, you'll find Create New Workflow button on top right of your workflow space. Click the same and enter workflow name and click Save to create a new workflow. Once the workflow is created, you'll see Set up FlexiForm button on the bottom right to upload the document template. Click the same. Now you had a note, FlexiForm allows you to bring dynamic form fields into the form of signers to fill before they sign. Click Upload Documents button to upload the document template. Now you can view the uploaded document template on the screen. Now, on the left-hand side, you will see some predefined list of form fields. On the right-hand side, you will see Define External Source, using which we can also upload documents from external source using FTP. Now, go to Add Signatories option. Click Add Signatory button to add the signatories. You can drag and drop form fields into the document template. On the hover over of dragged field, you can find Configure icon. Click on the same. A form field pop-up window will open to perform additional settings. Once the settings are defined, click Apply button. Once the above steps are completed, click Activate FlexiForm button. You will see a message pop up on successful completion. Thank you for watching the video.